as always, welcome back to another live stream. Super grateful and thankful for everyone being here in this live stream. And if you're watching the after stream, by all means, it's good to have you here. How's everybody doing? There is a active geomagnetic storm, G4. Pretty intense. This was all predicted. This was all predicted from, obviously, of course, everything we talked about in the videos, coming from space, weather live. And I'm not gonna lie, we could definitely see a G5, literally, because there's a lot of things right now that are kicking in, and there's a lot of things that are going to be amplifying everything. I'm doing really good. I think yesterday I got hit by it, or maybe it's just I don't know, whatever. It's no big deal. I'm doing really good. I hope everybody's doing good. Let me know how's everyone feeling. Let me know if you guys are having symptoms, because, there's a lot of people telling me they're ringing, a lot of ringing. The Schumann did do a little more activity, and I expect a lot more. Overall, of course, the KP is at 8 right now. We're going to be breaking down the data. Look at Earth. I've never seen it get hit this hard. I don't know if you guys are seeing this right now. This is insane. This is literally crazy right now. So this massive solar storm is here. And this is one of the most intense solar storms we've had in a very, very long time. We don't get them at this sort of level. This is incredibly extraordinary. And I know for a fact it's quick, and I know it's going to leave in just a little bit. And the crazy thing about it is, I tell you, everything happens at nighttime. When you guys are about to sleep, that's when it all happens. And I'm getting the data. We're about to get it. So yeah, it's crazy. Every day we're getting an X-class solar flare. So storm. I'm not asleep. That's good. I know about tomorrow morning it's probably going to be gone. But then, of course, there is another couple of X-class solar flares, and one of them that's way stronger. So this was an X1 something, right? As you can see over here, Earth is getting completely slammed. Watch that. I mean, it's getting bombarded right now. We haven't had anything like that in many, many, many months. So it's pretty crazy what we got going on right now. I don't even think I'm going to bother showing the Italian student residence. I'll probably show the general one because that's where it's at. Thursday or Friday? No, it's super quick. Less than 24 hours. By tomorrow, all these X classes are going to just kick right in. So this one they said today, tomorrow the other one, and also the other one, because how fast it's traveling, I think by tomorrow it's going to just explode to a G5. I would say guaranteed. These are quick. These are very fast. That's the thing about them. So it's like we go through them quick and they're very fast, but I think guaranteed Wednesday and Thursday, but probably tomorrow night we're gonna have it all. Let's get right into this. Here is the general Schumann resonance. We had a power 43. This was condensed early hours of today from hour let's go with 13 to hour 17 hour 20. Hour 20, hour 13, 7 hour high intense energy, and this is what we had recently. Just about 1 hour of some high intense energy. A lot of this integration, we might get bombarded right here. So we're gonna have to see exactly what happens here. Make sure you guys hit the like button as well. And here's where everything just gets bananas right now. So we were on the interplanetary magnetic field right now. Minus 50. That's insane though. It's crazy. What? No. You're from Poland, just woke up, body shaking, dizzy. Yeah, you're probably those are the exact symptoms right now. You know about the spiritual stuff, right? Or you know about like the Schumann resonance and solar activity. We had a K9 that's very intense. Right now we have a NS3 strong solar radiation storm. So at polar regions and navigation, position errors, satellite effects on image systems and solar panel currents. Um, Pretty crazy. If you're flying right now, you're definitely going to go through it probably. On the density, of course, Earth is getting hit. We were hitting over 100 density, solar wind density. We're hitting like 100 plus multiple times. And yeah, we're still intense. This right now is definitely still active. Overall, of course, we're predicting it, but I think we're still getting the extreme conditions right now. And of course, there's a good chance for aurora to be showing up. Um, and of course, you're on a G4. We were at an 8.5. Let me see if I could pull this up. More data, KP index. So here's the crazy thing. We just shot up and exploded. So K3 minus, and we hit a 8. I mean, I think we can just guess that's a 8.5. Almost a 9. I mean, we almost maxed it out. And right now, we're stuck at the 8. We're still at the 8, which is incredibly intense right now. Very, very intense. Solar winds were hitting close to around 800 kilometers per second. I wouldn't be surprised to see 1,000, maybe even higher within 36 hours. We could get 1,500 kilometers per second. I'm not gonna lie. We are in extreme storm conditions. This is crazy. You know, there haven't been anything. This sucker, this X5, right? This is this one right here, right? This was November 9. A 1.79 did this. So what the heck is the X5 gonna do, right? That's like 5 times stronger. What the heck is that gonna do? I mean, these are gonna just stack up on top of it. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised to see it's not normal, but a G6, you know? I mean, they're gonna definitely like stack up. I mean, I feel like the Earth is getting bombarded right now. There's still definitely a lot of sunspot regions. We could get another X-class solar flare from really any of these. This one's definitely looking active, 4277. This one has been crazy lately. There's been a bunch of CMEs lately. Oh, this was huge. What the heck was this? Okay, that just blew. That's insane. Wow. Wow, 144. I love it. 360. Oh my goodness, that was 360 angular whiff. Like that. We should maybe we gotta watch that again. You know what I'm saying? Do we see it? We gotta see it again, bro. That was crazy. Yeah, that's just insane. Oh my goodness, right now. I predicted this was gonna be a coronal hole. This will probably face us in within a day or two. This is crazy. Let's see. Is there anything else? I wish we could get more ideas on like what's really. Alright, let's see what they said. I'm gonna read this. Let me know if there's been any earthquakes lately. I should look at that, right? Alright, so it became quickly clear that the eruption would be followed by the impressive CME, resulting in solar explosion and everything like that. Let's see, where are they getting at to it? How's everybody doing? Welcome over to the stream. All right, so here's what they said. We want to remind you that we still have 2 coronal mass ejections on their way to Earth. These are not impressive as this X51. I mean, I'm going to be real with you right now. But those are strong. This X5 that's coming, this is like crazy right now. These are not impressive as the X5.1 CME, but these 2 plasma clouds will likely arrive within the next 6 to 18 hours. This is tricky. This is a tricky one as they could arrive as one impact or 2 impacts close until each other. When did he post this? Is there a time when this was posted? Tuesday, November 11 at 19 UTC. Can we find out what time this article was posted? 19 UTC. What is that to Eastern time? Is that morning? Or is this like recent? That sounds like a few hours ago, right? Let me do the conversion of that. Some on a computer. Let's go like 1900 UTC to EST. That was 2 p.m. So that was like, I mean, it's 11. So let's go like, let's just say this was 9 hours ago. It's going to be interesting. Is this both of them at once? Or, I mean, obviously, like by tomorrow, we're going to just get this. It's going to be a G5 then, if this is the case. I don't know. This will be interesting to see here. I don't know how this is going to work. I know there's been more earthquakes in Japan. Let's take a good look at that. Yeah, Japan keeps getting hit, you know. Yeah, with its speed, I don't even know. Yeah, that could be a G5. I'm not gonna lie, right? Like that's definitely potential. I mean, just with how it's impacting, and you know, we have a coronal hole that's, I don't think that's gonna do much, but that's gonna amplify things, you know. Let me make sure you guys can actually see this. Just insane, man. Unbelievable. Let's get an idea when was the last time we even had one, right? When was the last time we had a geomagnetic storm? Is that, I can get data on that, I think. Maybe like solar cycle or something. Like, I don't even know. Well, let's knock down 1, 2, and 3. So we have three G4s this year. So that's pretty rare if you ask me. Yeah, if I cut down the G4s, we had 1 G5 in 2024. 1 G5 in 2024. The last G5 was 2003. So a G5 is like it don't happen for decades, honestly. Like on average, it's like every 5 to 15 years. The 4, on the other hand, is pretty rare too. I mean, you know, maybe a few a year on average. Not even, you know. During solar cycles, a few of them. You know, about 3 or 4. It would seem on previous solar cycles, and just, I don't know, just like in general, I guess, like you could get a few a year. So this is still rare to get the G4. You know, you're only getting 3 a year. I'm just looking at like the last 100 years. You know, what is that? Like a bunch, that's about like 8 to 12 solar cycles, right? The last 100 years. Last year we had 6. This could be a G5. This could be, but maybe not though. So very, very interesting here. Pretty rare. And what we have going on right now is pretty rare. Yeah, it's pretty much good enough for now. It's a pretty late stream. I don't know. Is there anything going on with 3i Atlas? It's not really a big concern right now. It's good to have you here in the stream, Alyssa. Thank you so much for showing up. Yep. You know what's really good? And one of the best teas out there, I think it's chamomile. It's really good for like everything, for sleep, like healing, clearing, insomnia, like everything. It's amazing. It does a million things. Even has something to help your liver out. Yeah, we're getting completely bamboozled right now. So this right here is the magnetosphere right now. That's Earth. Like the little circle, you probably can't see it. It's getting completely bombarded right now. Are we getting the G5? We're in a G4. We're not surprised to see a G5. But I mean, I'm gonna let you know right now, we've only had one G5 in 20 something years. So, right, 2003 and 2024 last year. So besides last year, I mean, it's been a long time. Pretty insane, pretty darn insane. I'll tell you that. How's everybody doing? Really appreciate everybody showing up. Man, everybody's like putting pictures up right now. I should look outside. Everybody, wow, what is going on right now outside? What is going on? Everybody's posting there's red everywhere. Like, I mean, I don't want to show people's homes because, you know, it's on Facebook. But, like, I would assume, I think there's 3 of them. North Sky is pink here, but I gotta go look. I gotta go take a look. This is crazy. This looks cool. Something to be cool about, right? All right, guys, that's a 20-minute stream. We pretty much put all the data out there. We have everything. Let's give this a fresh refresh. Yeah, things are bananas right now. Let me tell you, bananas. Beyond bananas. I want to thank everyone. Rewind the stream for data. And yeah, by all means, of course, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Really appreciate you. I'm going to keep you guys updated as always throughout the days. Still got a KP8. Oh, it went down to G3. I don't think the data can even keep up with it. It still says KP8. I don't know what's going on here. I'm going to assume something's going on. Things are changing. But no matter what, tomorrow could be crazier. Thank you guys so much for watching. Earth is getting hit. Gotta stay strong, guys. Thank you guys so much. And I will see you all next time, alright? Thank you guys. Take it easy. God bless.